I am optimistic. I mean, we've just had this great session with this amazing group here in Christchurch, which is, you know, among the best colleges in Oxford, not quite as amazing as Hertford College. But we've been thinking about the rise of distrust, this growth in the perception of inequality, and this more technological, existential uncertainty people feel, this sense of instability and flux in the world. So I think it's no surprise that lots of people do feel pessimistic, but I'd like to kind of leave a note of optimism. I mean, if you look at the advances we're making as humanity, I think we can use this moment of uncertainty and fragility to find a new register of leadership, to find leaders who can show us a vision of better government, who can then communicate that effectively, and then can deliver the plans to actually get us there. That's a very, very tough agenda, but actually when you spend time with a group like this, you can see those ideas coming together. You can see how we can work, collaborate, cooperate to build a better politics, a better form of democracy, and ultimately renew our societies and deliver what our citizens want at the moment: security, justice, and opportunity. So this meeting has left me more optimistic.